Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A27, this version 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Open box and look completion. In box we have device in the blue color. And this all completion, only key for SIM card and Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay. On this side we have power button, volume buttons, on the back side triple camera LED, downside Type-C, speaker, microphone, and on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Turn on device. We have display Super AMOLED 120Hz, Full HD Plus resolution 6.7 inch. One UI version 8.5, Android version 16. Okay, look Antutu benchmark results and Geekbench 6 results. We have Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 CPU and GPU Adreno 720. Single core score, multi-score core score results, GPU test results, and look Antutu benchmark. Okay, close this. And run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Okay, game is load and load on the high graphic level, very good graphic level. Okay, works good without lags and glitches. We can play PUBG Mobile on the very high level. Okay, close this. Now I show you photos on the main camera. Zoom camera 10x. Video recording we have Full HD or 4K. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.